In carrying out its industrial, medical, health and research activities, every industrialized country generates significant amounts of radioactive wastes. Radioactive wastes must be managed according to high-level safety criteria and applying advanced technologies. Sogin is the Italian government-owned company in charge of the decommissioning and cleanup of Italian nuclear sites and of the safe disposal of all radioactive wastes. Sogin is implementing the largest environmental cleanup project in the history of Italy, aimed at ensuring people's safety, protecting the environment, and preserving the future of the next generations. The Sogin Group includes Nucleco, the Italian national operator in charge of collecting, conditioning, and temporarily storing radioactive wastes and radioactive sources from medical health, as well as scientific and technological research activities. The 1,000 people of the group represent the most important center of competence for the management of radioactive wastes and decommissioning in Italy. Sogin is also responsible for building the Radioactive Waste National Repository, an above-ground facility for the final disposal of over 90,000 cubic meters of radioactive wastes, of which approximately 30% is generated by medical, health, industrial, and research activities. The repository will be part of a technological park, an international center of excellence, where advanced research on the treatment of radioactive wastes will be carried out. Most Western countries have already built these kinds of repositories. The National Repository is a right of the Italian citizens and a need to which Italy has to respond immediately. It is also a great driver of economic growth, thanks to the investments that Sogin will make for its construction and to the auxiliary business generated by the technological park. Part of the radioactive wastes that will be disposed in the repository derives from the cleanup of the sites of the 4 nuclear power plants and the 4 fuel reprocessing and manufacturing facilities managed by Sogin. To date, 98% of the irradiated fuel produced during nuclear plant operations has been shipped abroad for reprocessing. That is the chemical treatment that allows the recycling of over 95% of the initial volume. The construction of the National Repository will enable Sogin to complete the cleanup of the sites and to return them to the communities and next generations free of radiological constraints. Sogin, greening your safety.